Nothing brings me more joy than a tip from a Tippendale. I'm one of your hosts, Ned Donovan. My co-host, Ariel Nissenblatt, is not with us today. And today's tip is a submission through our form at dailytipspodcast.com. This comes to us today from Heather in Sacramento. Thank you, Heather, for reaching out. The tip reads as follows. Many of us have the chair, where clothes we've only worn once, not dirty, but not clean enough to hang or fold and put away. Enter bonus drawer. I bought one of those shallow, long underbed storage bins and put it under my side of the bed. I put my rewearables in there, and the lid goes underneath so I don't have to slide it all the way out to easily grab a t-shirt to put on after work. Hope this helps. Hey, this is brilliant. I've never thought of this. I use the top of my dog's crate that he sleeps in my room to put clothes that are gently used and totally rewearable around the house. A bonus drawer is a fantastic idea, Heather, and I am absolutely going to look at implementing this in my life. Having a spot where I can put clothes that absolutely are ready to be reworn, that doesn't let them clutter up my room, is a game changer. And I'm honestly mad I didn't think about this tip myself. And Tippendales, that is why we love to hear from you. You have tips and thoughts and tricks that we will never have considered. And please keep heading to dailytipspodcast.com and sending us your tips so that we can share them with the world, so we can make everyone's life just a little better when they hear a tip that will help them, and they'll just enjoy an episode when they hear a tip that may not help them. Heather, thank you so much for this tip. It is a fantastic one. We hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and we will be back next week with another daily tip that may or may not help you. That daily is Monday through Friday because we believe in weekends. Thank you, labor unions.